Hi, we're back, and we are going to be moving on to removing mildew stains out of carpet fibers. Now, my experience with mildew stains is they can be pretty nasty, so you want to be careful and wear a mask. If it's a standard carpet on the floor, you want to vacuum it. And just make sure that you throw away the vacuum cleaner bag once you're done. Once you vacuum the carpet fibers, the first thing you want to do is you want to mix a solution of 1/2 teaspoon of liquid soap with a cup of water, lukewarm water. And you want to take the solution and you want to sponge it into the carpet fibers. And make sure you soak it pretty well. And once you do that, you want to take more water and you want to mix it in and douse the area with it. And you want to take a cloth and just blot the area dry. Now, once you've done that, the next step is to take 2 tablespoons of ammonia and you want to mix that with a full cup of water. Now you want to blot rinse this solution into the area. This is going to help to kill the remaining mildew that's still in the carpet. So after you put down the ammonia solution, you want to let it sit in the carpet fibers for about an hour to give it a chance to kill the remaining residual mildew. Then, once you come back, you continue with soaking the carpet fibers and blotting them dry. Once the carpet fibers are blotted dry, you want to put an electric fan in the area with an electric heater and to circulate the air as much as possible. This will allow it to both dry as fast as it can and also help to prevent the mildew from regrowing before the stain has had a chance to dry. And that is how you get mildew stains out of carpet fibers.